grade math lesson 24. This is for Tuesday. So on your math today, it's a review sheet. So we're going to go through a few problems together, and then you're going to work some all on your own and turn it in, and this will probably be a nice graded assignment, okay? You're going to have to listen carefully because I'm going to skip around. So you be sure you're listening, so you skip around with me to do the problems with me that I'm doing on the board, okay? So get your math books out and turn to page 47, and you can pause the video while you do that. All right, so on page 47, let's look at section 1. On section 1, it says write the products. Remember to carry when necessary. So I would like us to look at letter C. Look at letter C in section 1. Put your finger on it. It should say 78 times 3. We're going to do that together. All right, so we will multiply 8 times 3 equals 24. Very good. Put your 4 down. You're going to have to carry your 2 above the tens place. 7 times 3 is 21, plus your 2 you carried is 23. So our product is 234. And then I want you to look at letter I. Letter I, it should say 97 times 3. Letter I, we will do that one together. 97 times 3. 7 times 3 is 21. We'll put 1 down and carry our 2. 9 times 3 is 27, plus 2 is 29. So our product is 291. Now let's look at section 2. In section 2, we have 2 story problems. Ethan collects baseball cards. Last year, he had 23 cards. This year, he has 2 times as many. How many cards does he have? He has 2 times as many. How are we going to figure that problem? He has 2 times as many. We're going to multiply. Very good. He had 23 cards. Now he has 2 times as many. 23 times 2. That needs to be written on your paper in the workbox. 3 times 2 is 6. And 2 times 2 is 4. So 46, 23 times 2 is in your workbox. And on your answer line in your story problem, you will write 46. He has 46 cards. Zoe, letter B, Zoe and Connor are decorating cookies. They have 3 trays of cookies with 9 cookies on each tray. How many cookies do they have? So how many trays do they have? 3. And how many cookies are on each tray? 9. So we're going to multiply. And what is 3 times 9? You can count by 3s 9 times, or count by 9s 3 times. 3 times 9 is 27. Very good. So they have 20, so this should be in your workbox. And your answer, 27, should be in your story problem. 27 cookies. Look at section 3. You're going to multiply by 4s. We've been counting by 4s. We all should know that well. Let's do it together. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48. Do it one more time. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48. Very good. And I'm not going to multiply by 4 with you on those. You guys are going to do section 3 all by yourself. Turn your papers over to section 4. Follow the signs. So we're going to do a little bit. We're going to do, let me see. We will do letter C. So look at letter C. On the back, section 4, letter C. We have 837 plus 956 plus 999. All right, so let's see what this sum is going to be. 7 plus 6 is 13. And 13 plus 9 is, count all your fingers and toes. No, 13 plus 9 is 22. Very good. So we put our 2 down and we carry our 2 to the tens place. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. And 10 plus 9 is 19. Very good. Put your 9 down. Carry your 1 to the hundreds place. 8 plus 1 is 9. Plus 9 is 18. Plus 9 is 27. Put our 7 down. Carry our 2. There's not anything to add with it. So we bring our 2 down. 1, 2, 3, comma. So our sum is 2,792. Now remember, you can stop the video, pause the video, go back in the video. You can make this work for you. If I'm erasing this and you're freaking out saying, no, I wasn't done with that, then just make your video go back. Okay, you got that. And then I want to do letter E together. So look at letter E. Section 4 still, letter E. We have 5,002. We are subtracting minus 3,689. So we are going to find the difference. Can we say 2 minus 9? Nope. We're going to go next door and borrow, but there's not anything there to borrow. Go next door, there's not anything there. So we're going to come over here. This guy's going to come over here and borrow. So our 5 will become 4. And this guy borrowed 1, so he now has 10. We're gonna borrow 1 from him, so that'll be 9, and this guy has 10. So now he's gonna borrow 1, and that'll be 9, and that 1 will go in front of our 1's place. So 12 minus 9 is 3. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 6 is 3. And 4 minus 3 is 1. Our difference is 1,313. And then look in section 5. It says add commas. Circle the hundreds place. So in letter A, we have 8, 7, 5, 2, 0, 3. So we always count over 3. 1, 2, 3, comma. And now let's say our place values. They want us to circle the digit in, I think I said hundreds place, but it's hundred thousands place. So here we go. We have 1s, 10s, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. So our 8 is the digit that we will circle the hundred thousands place. For letter B, we have 288,906. So we count over 1, 2, 3. That's always our comma. And now let's say our places. 1s, 10s, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Very good. And letter D, we have 587. 820. 1, 2, 3 for our comma. And say our place value. Say it out loud with me. 1s, 10s, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. And we're circling our digit in the hundred thousands place. I want you to go ahead and do letter D on your own. Say your place values out, or say your places out loud, okay? 1s, 10s, hundreds, then 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. In section C, you're going to correct the number, or circle the correct number for each fact. And I'm not going to do this with you because I'm here to tell you, if you don't know these measurements yet, you need to learn them. Go to the back of your book. In the very, very back, you'll find all kinds of English measurements. You need to learn these measurements if you do not know them yet. And then in number 7, you're going to follow the signs, and you're just going to follow them straight across. Let's look at letter A. We have 9 plus 5 minus 8 times 4. And it equals, so what we do is we say 9 plus 5 is, I just like to write the answer right underneath, 14. 14 minus 8 is 6, and 6 times 4 is 24. So our answer is 24. So that is how you will do B and C. And then we have a thinking cap or a brain booster here. How many pints would there be in 1 gallon? So in 5th grade, we kind of set it up like this. Blank pints equals 1 gallon. Okay? So, how many cups are in a pint? 2 cups in a pint, okay? And there's 2 pint in a quart. And how many quart are in a gallon? 4. So if there's 4 quart in a gallon, there's 2 cups in a pint, we can say 4 times 2 equals 8. Because there's 2 cups in a pint, and there's 2 pint in a quart, there's 4 quart in a gallon. So 2 times 4 equals 8. So there's 8 pints in 1 gallon. Y'all get it? 2 pints are in a quart, and there's 4 quart in a gallon. So for every quart that's in a gallon, there's going to be 2 pints. So 4 times 2 equals 8. Okay? All right, so you will go ahead and complete page 47 and 48. If you are a remote student or a student working from home today, you will tear that sheet out. If you are remote, it'll go into your work packet behind the day that it's coming from. And if you are from school, it will need to go in your red folder to come straight back to your teachers. Do your best work.